Hello everybody, this is pyBro and this video is on string, a type of variable. String are just text. So let's create a new variable, a equal 5. Then we'll print a and it gives us 5, all normal. Now we'll print a between quotation mark and it gives us a, which is text. The type of a was int, a number, but the type of a between quotation mark is a string, text. String and text are the same. Now, if we print 1, it gives us 1. Now, if I do the same and I print 1 between quotation mark, it also shows me 1, but it's not the same. The type of 1 between quotation mark is a string, it's text. And because those two are not the same, if I print 1 plus 1 between quotation mark, I got a type error because one is an int, the other one is a string. You cannot sum a text and a number. So if I want to do that, I can do print 1 plus int 1 between quotation marks. This converts the text, the string, into a number and it gives me 2, 1 plus 1. I can also convert the int, the number, into a string with str like this and add the quotation mark 1. It concatenates text and give me 11. Then I can do string for a and it would concatenate 5 with 1 the same way. Str convert into string and a was 5. Now I can do name equal Charles, but it doesn't work because Charles is a variable and it was not defined. Now if I do name equal and then a text between quotation mark pyBro, then the text pyBro is now in the name variable. Text string is the same. What is the type of name? It's a string. What is the length of name? It's a 5. There is 5 letters in pyBro. We can look at the first letter with bracket, square bracket 0, second letter with square bracket 1, and so on. With number 4, I got the O of pyBro, it's the last one because we started with 0. If I try name and 5 between square bracket, I got an issue because there is no such letter. I'm out of range. It's important to remember we start with 0. Name square bracket minus 1 is O because it's the last letter. Name square bracket minus 2 is R because it's the second last letter and name was pyBro. So we can look at which one was the last one, which one was the one before that and use minus if we need. So that's all for string for now. In the next lecture we'll be looking at list. See you soon.